Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about an uncomfortable skin condition that many people suffer from at some point: boils. Boils form when oil or sweat glands become clogged and infected, leading to a painful bump below the skin. The good news is there are many effective home remedies you can try to help clear boils fast. Without further ado, let's get into my top home remedies for painful, pesky boils. Home remedy number 1, warm compresses. One of the most widely used home treatments for boils is warm compresses. The heat brings blood flow to the area to help draw out infection. It also helps soften the skin so the boil can rupture and drain. Get a clean washcloth, soaked in hot water, then wring out excess moisture before gently applying to the boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this warm compress routine 2 to 3 times per day until it comes to a head. The warmth will not only provide pain relief but will help speed up the recovery process. Home remedy number 2, tea tree oil. Thanks to its antibacterial and antimicrobial compounds, tea tree oil is great for skin conditions like boils. It can disinfect the area and dry out the boil. Dip a cotton ball in diluted tea tree oil and dab onto the boil up to 5 to 6 times per day. Be sure to dilute with a carrier oil or mix with coconut oil first, as undiluted tea tree oil may sting open wounds. Within a couple days, you'll notice the tea tree oil for boils reducing pain and swelling. Home remedy number 3, turmeric paste. Next is a spice that's likely already in your kitchen: turmeric. Curcumin is the key compound that gives turmeric its vibrant golden color as well as its incredible health benefits. Simply combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a small amount of warm water or milk to form a thick paste. Apply the turmeric paste to the boil, cover with gauze, and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Do this 2 times per day. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound healing abilities will help diminish boil discomfort. Home remedy number 4, mangoes. Who doesn't love a sweet, juicy mango? But did you know mangoes also offer medicinal benefits? Unripe, green mangoes contain acids and enzymes that make them fantastic for drawing out pus and infection from boils. Peel and puree an unripe mango, then apply directly to the boil for 15 minutes before rinsing. Follow up with some antibiotic ointment and a loose bandage. Apply this unripe mango puree treatment 2 times daily. Home remedy number 5, castor oil packs. Castor oil packs stimulate circulation in the skin, ease swelling, and deeply moisturize, making them great for cysts and abscesses under the skin like boils. To use, simply soak a cotton cloth in castor oil, then place over the boil, followed by a hot water bottle or heating pad set to medium heat. Leave on for 30 to 60 minutes before removing and rinsing skin. The combo of castor oil with heat is perfect for decreasing the size of boils fast. Lifestyle tips for preventing boils. Along with using home treatments, there are some key lifestyle measures you can take to prevent boils from occurring. First, practice good hygiene by keeping skin clean, especially areas prone to boils. Gently wash with an antimicrobial cleanser. Next, wear loose, breathable clothing that allows sweat to evaporate rather than get trapped against skin. You can also apply antibacterial creams regularly. Finally, reduce friction and irritation by getting rid of coarse fabrics and avoiding shaving over boils. Strengthening your immune system will also help your body resist infection and clear boils faster.